was cruising down the freeway, engine humming low, feeling like a king in chrome. Just letting the horses go, then a rattle, then a grinding sound, and the light turned red. Transmission died with a sigh, left me wishing I was dead. Smoke from the hood like a funeral cry. Felt that Chrysler soul just say goodbye. The bearings split in a million pieces, like shattered dreams and unpaid leases. Hybrid box, they said it last, but now it's sitting in the junkyard grass. Oh, Chrysler, baby, what did you do to me? I need a new heart, not just a warranty. The tech shook his head, said it's toast, my friend. You can patch a shell, but it's the end. I saw metal flakes like glittered sand, where gears once danced on command. Could try to rebuild, he said with a frown, but parts are ghosts in this town. The bearings split in a million shards, like my weekend plans and old 3-year cars. That hybrid gearbox, once so bold, now sings a song of grief and cold. Chrysler, baby, you broke me clean. Time to buy a box that's barely been seen. eBay lies and junkyard schemes, I scrolled through parts and broken dreams. 6,000 later, shipped from Des Moines, a gearbox new with shiny joints. Installed it twice, still heard a clunk. Mechanic said, you bought a hybrid trunk. I cried a bit, then laughed instead. Guess I'll just walk is what I said. Now I drive a different ride, left my Chrysler grief behind. New box hums like heaven's song, but I check for cracks all day long.